Thank you, Dr. Enright, and good morning, everyone. Dr. Iacano, Chair Lasitra, the members of the Board of Trustees, faculty members, administration, staff, and students. On behalf of the entire board of the Morris County Chosen Freeholders, it's my honor to be here today to share this very special event with the college community. I would like to introduce my colleagues who have joined us here this morning. Deputy Director and CCM Liaison Heather Darling, Freeholder and CCM Liaison Tom Mastrangelo, Freeholder Kathy DiFilippo, and Freeholder Steve Shaw. I said to the students at the 2018 CCM commencement that whatever you may imagine as your future can become a reality if you have the courage and the determination and are willing to put the hard work in necessary to pursue your dream. To help the students achieve those dreams and goals, the County College of Morris and the Morris County Board of Chosen Freeholders have an obligation to provide them with the opportunities to succeed, to provide a state-of-the-art education that prepares graduates to be well-equipped and compete in an ever-changing and competitive world. Towards that end, we are here today for the groundbreaking of an important new $11 million state-of-the-art advanced manufacturing and engineering center. This facility will fully prepare our students for new and good-paying jobs. It is also a response to the workforce demands of county and regional employers in addressing the needs of skilled workers to keep up with the most up-to-date training. In addition to providing space for manufacturing and engineering education, construction of this new building will free up room on the Randolph campus to allow the college to double its space used by health and science programs. That will allow for the addition of the state-of-the-art healthcare simulation center and the new health programs to meet area employment needs. The Freeholder Board unanimously agreed to commit $4 million in funds toward the construction of this new center. It is this type of investment that ensures our students will continue to receive an exceptional education in state-of-the-art facilities not often found at other 2-year or even 4-year institutions. It is this type of investment that will help County College of Morris continue to educate, grow, and nurture students as leaders and offer the important helping hand to our business community. On behalf of the entire Board of Freeholders, I will look forward to the completion of this center, and as a step forward will give our students and businesses a leg up. Thank you very much.